Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to sign in automatically using saved passwords on Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's loaded up, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find three horizontal lines. This is the main menu icon. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can customize various aspects of Brave. Once you're in the settings panel, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see several options listed vertically. From here, click on autofill and passwords. This section contains all the features related to how Brave handles your login information and form data. After clicking that, you'll see another option appear. Click on Password Manager to access the area where all your stored credentials are managed. Now, here's an important note before we continue. This automatic sign-in feature will only work if you've previously saved your passwords in Brave. If you haven't saved any passwords yet, you'll need to do that first before you can enable automatic sign-in. Assuming you have saved passwords, you're ready to move forward. In the left panel of the Password Manager, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Click on this to access the specific configuration options for how Brave handles your saved passwords. This is where you can control the behavior of the Password Manager and customize how it works for you. Once you're in the Settings section, look for an option that says Sign in automatically. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Click on this toggle to turn it on. Enabling this feature means that whenever you visit a website where you have a saved password, Brave will automatically fill in your credentials and sign you in without requiring any additional clicks or confirmation from you. This makes accessing your accounts much faster and more convenient, especially for sites you visit frequently. And that's it, you've successfully enabled automatic sign-in using saved passwords on Brave browser. Now you can enjoy seamless access to your accounts without manually entering your credentials each time. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.